Hello, this is page 35. Please use headphones. Use the check words to complete the chart. You may put more than one word in each box. Divide or put into equal groups. Clearly that is divide. And then multiplication or repeated addition is indeed multiplication. Alright. So this right here is called a factor. These are both factors, and this is a product. So this part is a little bit harder to remember. Helps me to remember it like this. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And this is the dividend. This is the divisor. And this is the quotient. Dividend, divisor, quotient. A blank is a number that is less than 0. Looks like a negative number. A blank is a number that is greater than 0, a positive number. Division problems have 3 parts. The parts you want to divide into equal groups. So this part is called a dividend. The number that is divided into another number is called the divisor. This is the divisor. The answer to the division problem is called the quotient. Blank are whole numbers and their opposites. That would be integers. This page is just a reminder, page 36. So right here, integers can be divided if the divisor is non-zero. So this 32 divided by 0 is not possible. What happens on the calculator if you do 32 divided by 0? Well, here, look. 32 divided by 0 cannot divide by 0. Just can't do it. Could 0 be divided by 32? Yes, it equals 0. 0 divided by 32 is 0. So, division by 0 is impossible. Before we start this page, let's get a quick reminder about good people, bad people. In this first example, a good thing is happening to a good person, and that's good. Here, bad things happen to bad people, that's bad. Here, bad things happen to good people, and that's bad. And here, bad things happen to bad people, and that's good. So, in review, positive times a positive is a positive. Positive times a negative is a negative. Negative times a positive is a negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. This is for multiplication and division only. Multiplication and division rules. Okay, thank you.